Hello friends, I'm Saurav and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel My Garden Care Tips. Today friends, we will talk about Rangoon creeper plant. So watch the video till end and know how to grow and care for Rangoon creeper plant to get maximum flower. First, let's talk about its name. It has known by many names such as in Hindi it is called Madhumalti, in Bengali it is called Madhubi Lata, in English it called Rangoon creeper or honeysuckle. Now the next topic is usage. It has no medicinal value but its usage is to add greenery and flower and its scent to your house. Now we talk about where to grow. Its flower comes in bunches and abundance, that's why it looks so good. You can also plant this plant near your boundaries or main gate to make your house more beautiful. Now let's talk about its soil requirement. It's like well drained soil. So for soil you can take 50% of garden soil, 25% of sand and 25% of vermicompost. You can also add cocopeat in potting mix. Now type of plant. It is also an hardy plant. It is a perennial plant or you can say it is a permanent plant. Once you bring it to your home, it will always stay with you. Now let's talk about its sunlight requirement. It requires 7 to 8 hours of full sunlight. If it gets less sunlight, it will not bloom well or produce flower. So always try to keep this plant in open area like terrace or lawn in front of your house. Now watering. Always keep the soil damp. It does not like dry and hard soil. Now let's talk about its pruning requirement. It requires hard pruning once in every year and soft pruning during the season or flowering time. Make sure you will not prune if it starts to produce flower buds. Now let's talk about fertilizing. As this plant blooms abundance flower, so it is a heavy feeder plant. I give fertilizer to this plant at interval of every 15 days. You can use both organic or chemical fertilizer as per your choice. Now let's talk about its varieties. It having two varieties. One is which you are seeing right now. This is the single variety I have and other variety is double variety. I do not have double variety but I want to have in future. You can see in the picture the double variety is having double petals. Now let's talk about pest control. It usually doesn't have any pest attack but for the precautionary measure use neem pesticide twice a month. Now season. This plant blooms from March to November or you can say this is a summer season plant. It flower stays for 3 to 4 days. The color of its flower changes from white to pink and then to dark maroon. Now let's talk about maintenance. This plant doesn't require much maintenance. You can do repotting, hard pruning once in a year. That's enough for this plant. For pruning, I will give video link in description. You can watch the video. Now let's talk about dormancy care. Its dormancy period is winter season. It shades its leaves in winter and when summer comes, again new leaves start growing. In dormancy, do not give fertilizer. You also give water when top soil is dry. Now last point is pot selection. Its pot requirement is minimum 10-inch pot or you can take more than 10-inch as per your requirement. Do not use less than 10-inch otherwise it will not give flower in abundance. That's for now friend. I will upload more new videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for my upcoming videos. If you have any queries, please put it in the comment section. I will get back to you. Till then, happy gardening.